South Korea is a country in East Asia. South Korea is a 1,200-kilometer-long peninsula, which is located in the easternmost part of the continent of Asia. The capital of South Korea is Seoul, home to 5 ancient royal palaces, the largest of which is Gyeongbokgung Palace. South Korea has the fastest wireless internet speed in the world. Most of the ships in the world are built in South Korea. South Korea receives 900 to 1,500 millimeter of dot rain annually. Samsung. South Korea is the world's largest producer of LCD panels. South Korea is known for its world-renowned beauty products. More than half of South Korea's population lives in the Seoul capital area. South Korea is known for its vibrant pop music industry. The 3 major rivers of South Korea, Han River, the Gyeom River, and the Nakdong River. Daecheon Dam is built on the Gyeom River in South Korea. The Han River is located in North Chungcheong Province, South Korea. South Korea is one of the strongest economies in East Asia. Much of its income comes from manufacturing and service industries such as banking. It exports ships, cars, computers, and other electronic items. The country is largely mountainous with small valleys and narrow coastal plains. Mountains in South Korea are smaller than those around the world. Most of the peaks are below 3,300 feet. A large number of Koreans emigrated. Before World War II, North Korea to Manchuria, China, and those traveling from South Korea to Japan, an estimated 2 million Koreans in 1945 lived in Manchuria and Siberia, and the same number was in Japan. About half of the Koreans in Japan returned to South Korea shortly after 1945. The official name of South Korea is the Republic of Korea. This is because his government claims to be in charge of all of Korea and does not recognize North Korea separately. The government is headed by a president who is elected for a 5-year term. Korean tigers have been exterminated by poachers. In modern South Korea, beards are considered inappropriate. South Korea is known as a tech powerhouse with an innovative technology sector.